Hello friends, a very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you all are listening to me. I hope you all are doing good, you all are fine, you all are great, and your preparation for your exams are going wonderful. Many students are asking that will ICSI conduct exams or not, looking into consideration the circumstances, looking into consideration everything which is going on in the macro environment. Now today I'll be giving a short update as far as your CS exams are concerned. ICSI is expected to conduct exams or not. If you have this in doubt, let me tell you, as per my personal opinion, now I am giving my personal opinion here, mark my words, I have no secret information. Now the update as on today, what's the date today? The update as on today on 6th of June 2021. This is the date today. What update we have is that CBSE exams cancelled. All over India, state board, central board, all exam cancelled. Now the biggest thing which came yesterday was CA Foundation exam, which was scheduled from 24th of June. पोस्टपोन हो चुका है by 1 month to 24th of July. It is not cancelled, it is postponed by 1 month. And the biggest thing which the CA students are concerned about is CA inter plus final exams are scheduled from 5th of July, and ये अभी तक certain नहीं लग रहा था, लेकिन इसका जो डेट शीट है वो अनाउंस कर दिया गया है. Now what is ICAI up to? And how will Institute of Company Secretaries of Honorable Institute will react to this? Now, as per my opinion, personal opinion, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, our Honorable Institute, is definitely looking into consideration to conduct exams because things are improving day by day. Many cities, many states are now unlocking themselves. Delhi may be unlock ho raha hai. Now, ICAI is expecting the same circumstances, the same situation in July first week, which it was in November end, when the exam of November was conducted. What is the meaning of that? That yes, around 1 lakh cases are coming nowadays. Now, Institute definitely is looking very positive to conduct the exams, and most probably by July first week there will be cases around 40 to 50,000 all over India, and yes, Institute will try its best to conduct the exams. And why this 24 July date has been taken into consideration for foundation students? CMA exam, which was proposed in July end, was postponed, and the slot in July end was empty. Now ICSI will 90% conduct exams in August first week. This is for sure. And I am telling you, you should keep your preparations very, very up to the mark, because ICAI is having approaches in the ministries, ICAI has approach in the government, and it was not expected that November में भी उन्होंने एग्जाम कराए थे और उस टाइम भी हालात अच्छे नहीं थे. तो सेम सिचुएशन रिपीट हो सकती है, मेरा पर्सनल ओपिनियन ये कहता है. और एक बात हमेशा ध्यान रखिए कि अगर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स 5th जुलाई को एक भी एग्जाम ले लेता है, सक्सेसफुली मैनेज कर लेता है, तो आर ऑनरेबल इंस्टीट्यूट ICSI, इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कंपनी सेक्रेटरीज ऑफ इंडिया, विल 110% कंडक्ट एग्जाम्स इन ऑगस्ट फर्स्ट वीक. ऑगस्ट फर्स्ट वीक में ही आपके एग्जाम होंगे. जुलाई एंड का स्लॉट CA फाउंडेशन ने ले लिया है और यहाँ पे ये अपडेट खत्म होता है. तो जो भी है, सिचुएशन इज नॉट वेरी गुड, वैक्सीनेशन भी अभी नहीं हुआ है. Whatever the things are, I am getting a lot of messages and calls, lot of things, lot of confusion. But my update here is, if you are healthy, you are safe, and your family is 100% okay, and your situation wherever you are, कंफर्टेबल है, आप पढ़ सकते हैं, एग्जाम दे सकते हैं, तो मेरी विनती है अपनी प्रिपरेशन अप टू द मार्क रखिए, पढ़ते रहिए. Yes, we will request you institute for opt out and one more attempt for old syllabus students. Definitely वो आपको मिलना ही चाहिए. लेकिन जिस भी हालात में चीजें चल रही हैं, एग्जाम होंगे. कुछ टीचर्स ऐसे भी कह रहे हैं कि 95% चांसेस हैं कि एग्जाम कैंसिल होंगे, लेकिन सीरियसली बताऊं तो लग रहा है कि एग्जाम होंगे और यहाँ पे बहुत चांसेस हैं कि इंस्टीट्यूट एग्जाम ले सकता है. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर joining and listening to me. And if you are looking for financial management revision classes, you can join my lecture revision classes only in ₹1. You can download Android app on your mobile for the DUA classes, and you can subscribe to my course FM revision. What you will be getting there, you'll be getting around 10-hour lectures in which we will be doing almost revision of all the chapters, conceptual and practical formulas revision. फ्री नोट्स आपको वहां मिलेंगे एंड 1 मंथ का आपको एक्सेस मिलेगा. ₹1 में हु कैन ऑल ज्वाइन CS एग्जीक्यूटिव न्यू सिलेबस, FSM स्टूडेंट्स, CS प्रोफेशनल ओल्ड सिलेबस, FTFM स्टूडेंट्स, CA में इंटर अगर आप कर रहे हैं, उसमें FM का पार्ट अगर आप रिवाइज करना चाहते हैं तो आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. CA इंटर FM में भी आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. That's all from my side. If you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe. God bless you. Stay connected. Stay blessed. Goodbye. Jai Hind. Bye-bye.